Hi guys, welcome back to week two's learning activities. I'm going to walk you through what the activities are for this week, and I'll show you where you need to go to get online to do your Quizlet and to do your writing activity. So, first activity is vocabulary. I'm going to have you log into Quizlet again. If you still are confused, it's your student login, and if you forgot your password, just click Forgot Password. You can search for Edmonds 86, and we're going to do academic vocabulary this week. So I'll show you what that looks like. If you go to Edmonds 86, you'll see 3 sets, and I'm going to have you click on academic vocabulary. And this is vocab that we've gone over in class, and you haven't specifically gotten definitions for it, but we've talked about it. We've talked about diction and syntax, imagery. And so if you will just go through this and see which ones you know and which ones you don't, I'd like you to study it for about 30 minutes. The second activity that we're going to be doing is, of course, reading from your novel. I'm hoping that you guys have made it through your second section for your book discussion when we get back to school, hopefully this year. So the next section that you're going to be working on is narration, tone, and style. And you'll be marking 5 passages for that. And if you need to know where this is from your reading calendar that you guys set down dates and the pages that you'd read through. So this is your 3rd week, narration, tone, and style. And if you have any questions about those are all in your academic vocab and also your elements of literature vocab, or you can always email me if you have questions. And then finally, your third activity is we're going to keep doing our research for our synthesis essay. So you've already decided what you want to write about. Now, it's not set in stone, but it's just a good idea that we'll start gathering sources for this. So now that you've picked a topic for your synthesis essay, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, look at last week's lessons. And I want you to start doing some research for it. So if you could find one source, that it could be a video, a documentary, it could be a news article, it could be an academic journal, a novel, some piece of art, maybe it's a poem or a song, anything that explains or adds evidence to whatever type of discrimination that you are using in your essay. So some places you could go to search for this. You could go to the Squalicum High School website. If you click on library, then you're able to scroll down, and there are a research database, which is right here. If you click on research database, it will take you into all of these different online databases. I personally like ProQuest, but you can try out any of these. So click on that, and then you can search for whatever type of discrimination you're looking at. You'll type in a key term. You can do scholarly journals, books, video, audio, and it'll produce some possible sources that you could use. You could always use Google if you want. Just type in your search. You could use click on news, books, videos, see what comes up. We just need to make sure that it's a credible source. So make sure you know who published it, and if someone is paying to have it published, who is that person that's paying to have it published, so that we can make sure that it's a credible source. So this week, please, for your topic, find one source, and then once you found it, write about it in your week 2 synthesis source search. It'll say where you found it, the title of it, possibly the author, why you chose this source in 2 to 3 sentences, and how will you use this source in your essay? How does it help explain how this type of discrimination holds back all of society? If you guys have any questions, please email me. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. I miss you guys, and hopefully we will get to see each other after May 4th. All right, bye guys. See you next week.